or a 911 tape for me last week, and we've listened to it, and it really doesn't clear anything up.
Big shift right here. Instead of 2 years locked up, the state suddenly offers probation. That might sound like mercy, but don't be fooled. Probation is basically a trapdoor. Slip once, and you're back facing prison time.
In the meantime, the state has agreed to change the offer from 2 years probation.
All right.
And so we have previously filled out an application
Right.
for probation.
So, sir, do you want to be on the probation, or do you just want to do
Probation.
the probation?
Yes.
All right. Court is calling 2025. Oh, I'm sorry. We've already done the paperwork. You've already been given the admonishments. All right. All right, we're on the record in 2025 CR 005952, State versus Frank Garza. Could I have parties announced for the record, please?
Espinoza for the state.
Donald Wilson for Mr. Garza.
And you're Mr. Garza? All right, so there have been some...
Notice how the judge forces the defendant to spell out the deal. This isn't just legal formality, it locks him in. If he tries to backtrack later, the record will show he agreed to every word.
changes to the offer that's been tendered to you. And according to the new plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that there be 2 years in the prison. They're recommending community supervision, you to forfeit the firearm, and there's $1,000 fine probated. Did you understand that to be your agreement now?
Okay.
Do you understand that as your new agreement?
To be on probation? Yes. Yes.
All right. And so what a probated fine means is if that you successfully complete this probation, you won't have to pay the fine. If you're unsuccessful, you may have to pay that fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. As previously stated, the court found you guilty of attempted unlawfully carrying of a weapon with a felony conviction. Are you prepared to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Sir, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Garza.
All right, Mr. Garza, do you have any type of mental health treatment in the past?
Mhm.
Have you ever used any type of illegal substances?
Not, it's been years since I was
Here's
a
the
kid.
thing, I'm talking about in the past, so have you ever used it in the past? And what would that be?
No,
What else?
I drank a little bit.
What else?
That's it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do. My oldest is 22 years old.
Do you have any grandchildren?
I do. She's about going on 1 year old.
Quick pause here. IHOP cook by day, felony weapons charge by night. The human side always peeks through in court, but judges don't let small talk about pancakes soften the sentencing hammer.
And if you were released, do you have a place to live?
I do.
And who would be living there?
Just me.
Okay. All right. When's the last time you had employment?
I still have my employment. They're actually working with me through this entire ordeal.
All right. And what do you do?
I'm a cook at IHOP.
Oh, where are you a cook?
River Center.
River Center? What's the name of the place?
IHOP.
IHOP.
Yes.
Okay. Tell them to stop stuffing their pancakes with all this extra stuff. Sometimes you just want a plain pancake with maple syrup. That's it. All right. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. No unsupervised contact with minors. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Forfeit the weapon. TAP evaluation out of custody. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else?
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is key.
grandchild.
By taking the
So,
plea bargain, he's
Once you
waiving his
complete the
right to
parenting
appeal.
classes, your community
Viewers,
service hours will be
what do
deemed
you think?
satisfied.
Is it fair that once you accept a deal,
Oh,
you're basically locked
Okay,
out of
awesome.
challenging
Why
it
are you
later?
enrolled? All right. I'll do 100 hours of community service restitution, and I'm going to order parenting classes since you have that grandchild. So
Yes, ma'am.
once you complete the parenting classes, your community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
I'm actually enrolled with Crisis.
Oh, you are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Why are you enrolled with them?
It's just something I do.
Oh, well, good. I am glad you're doing that.
Thank you.
All right. If you provide proof of that with probation, they'll take that as a part of your community service restitution.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Right.
And next time, we can go off the record. Next time, if you see a weapon, do not pick it up. You can go to the police and say, hey, there's a weapon here. Call somebody. But you're not supposed to possess any weapons, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You had advised me that he could appear by Zoom, but he preferred to be here in person.
All right. So,
I think the state had a motion.
yes.
Well, we had an agreed motion for continuance that we presented about 2 weeks ago, and you said you would hold ruling for today. Our victim and outcry witness are unavailable there in Colorado right now.
All right. I need a motion to see the motion for continuance.
Should be in the court's file. If not, I can pull
We
it.
don't have.
Here's the tension. The state suddenly wants a continuance because their witness is out on vacation. But the judge isn't buying it. Trials have been delayed since 2024. This is a classic showdown between the court's clock and the prosecution's excuses.
Have a court's file anymore. Yeah.
Let me print out a new one for you. I'm sorry.
All right. And why are they in Colorado?
They told me they had a pre-planned vacation for this type of family reunion event that they had for months. The day I had filed the motion was the day they finally decided to let us know of those plans, that they were not going to be here, and they're not here right now.
All right. So here's my question. Everybody was aware that it was set for jury trial today. This has been on the docket for trial since August 2024. And I understand that sometimes it hasn't gone to trial because we've been in trial, but this has been since 2024.
I understand the previous 3 settings, Your Honor, were situations like you just said. We were ready, but other cases ended up going.
But we were set for jury trial on August 19th, then November 5th. And then I guess an offer changed. So then I set a plea deadline date for November 21st. Then it was set for jury trial January 14th, then April 8th. And counsel was in jury trial, so we could not have a jury trial. He couldn't be in 2 places at the same time. And then on April 22nd, we were in jury trial. So I don't know why I should grant. I mean, everybody knew this date. So I don't know why I should grant the motion for continuance. He's been here waiting for trial.
This would be the first time the state's on our behalf has requested a continuance.
All right. Court will think about it. I'll let you all know.
Thank you.
CR 011309. All right. I don't have court summaries or anything. Okay. Yes, please. And just so everybody knows, I haven't viewed anything, but usually I'll check to see if there were court summaries.
We don't have the cause number, Judge, from the last
Okay. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 011309, State versus Daniel Cantu Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Michael Dwight going to the defense, Your Honor.
And are you Daniel Cantu Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready for
This admission is huge. Pleading true to a violation means the judge could hammer him with 10 years in prison. And yet, he rolls the dice on probation tweaks instead. Would you take that risk, or call the state's bluff?
seat on the motion, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Daniel Cantu Jr. who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 011309 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams on January 7, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, you may proceed.
State's proceeding on violated condition number 1, which reads on or about the 19th day of July 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Daniel Cantu Jr. committed the offense of terroristic threat in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And do you waive the other allegation?
Yes, Your Honor.
No
Any
objection, Your Honor.
objections to waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is to amend the conditions to add IOP, monthly UA, sober support, as well as MRT program.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. So what is going on with regards to this number 1, the terroristic threat? What is that about?
I have been.
No. I'm asking the state. I don't know if your attorney wants you to say anything.
If I could briefly summarize the
Yes.
evidence that's on the record, Your Honor. My client was driving around the North Star Mall trying to find a parking space for work. He parked there, or he tried to park, got in an argument with somebody else about the parking space, and he drove off. Security guard called the police and said the security guard thought he had been drinking before he was driving. He parked somewhere else and he went to work, and later on he was arrested at work for a DWI third. And that's when he committed this terroristic threat. So right now we have a case where the police arrested for DWI when he did not see him driving at all.
Okay.
And there are blood tests in this matter, Your Honor. Before we plead to a DWI third, we'd like the blood results to come back. Now, we fully admit that he was drinking that day in violation of probation. There's no doubt about that.
Okay. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. And what are the conditions for the DWI? Are there any conditions of bond on that?
Not.
There's an initial interlock, Judge. And Your Honor, that case is currently in the pre-indictment court. Terroristic threat is next door in number 15.
Oh, it's in number 15? So it's a misdemeanor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I thought you said it was a felony.
No, I apologize. It's a felony DWI. Yes, that's in pre-indictment court.
Oh, okay.
I apologize if I wasn't clear, Judge.
All right. So state while you're finding that, probation.
Yes, sir.
Is this your recommendation?
Judge, being on what the state says in regards to the DWI, I would probably add DWI